Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today, as well as a few other things to this 2019 T6, we have upgraded them with the T6.1 rear lights. So this is only available on the T6.1, but you can fit the parts, they're backwards compatible when you've done a few wiring changes, resistors and some coding. So on this particular Transporter T6, it had factory LED lights already, so there was no wiring changes that we needed to do. They were just plug and play. We've had to add an in-line resistor for the indicator, so that you don't get the double quick flash on the instrument cluster, and also we've coded out the bulb error warning using VCDS. So I thought I'd just give you a quick run through of what these lights look like. So I'll just quickly swing across to this side, and Rich is just going to pop the lights on for me. So these are your side lights, looking very snazzy. I'll just try and go over here as well. Rich is going to just pop on the brakes, quick change, and then we're going to go into reverse. So it looks like two, but it is two really bright SMD LEDs in there, and that's on both sides. So if you've got LEDs, then you'll have these working fine, no problems. If you've currently got halogen rear lights, you can actually wire them. A standard, when you fit these, they'll only do it from one side like it does at the moment on your current lights. But if we do the wiring, we can go from left to right, so then they'll both work, which is pretty cool. So we'll just put the indicators on as well and turn the side lights off just so you can see them. There you go. So these are LED as well, and I'll just get Rich to pop on the rear fogs, just so that we can see if there's any difference between those. And there you go, nice LED crisp light down there. So we'll turn the fogs off and we'll turn the indicators off, and there we go. So Transporter T6.1, Transporter T6 with T6.1 rear lights. We've had to do a few changes to get them to work, but on this van with the rear ABT spoiler, lower bumper and a lot of other stuff, they look really cool, especially because these are the dark cherry version rather than just the standard red colours. So if you've got a T6 and you want to do this to your vehicle, we're going to have a kit on the website for supply only, comes with some wiring info, and then you can just get on with it yourself. We'll possibly, when we do a halogen version, do a video on how to install these yourself, but we can also offer this as a supply fit option down here in Poole only at the moment, just so that we can get a grasp of how it all works. And as always, thanks for watching.